In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create this kind of two-step engagement ask posts that pull together the audience of the right potential clients in either the Facebook groups or in your Instagram profile or your LinkedIn or Facebook profile. So I'm gonna teach you how to create this one and also how to post this same question on your stories as a question sticker that when people respond to it, right, they fall into your DM conversation from which you can then qualify them and book a call with them. Watch this video right now. This video is part of our 7-day content creation challenge that you can sign up down below completely for free. You also become part of our Facebook group community where you get content creation feedback. And through the 7-day content creation challenge, you're gonna learn the weekly ideal lead generation content schedule for your online coaching practice. Make sure to sign up for it right now or at the end of this video so you can go through the complete 7 days of content creation and you can become part of our community mastermind as well. Let's get started now with today's content creation example. Today we are going to produce one content piece, but we're gonna publish it through two different formats. Here is the topic on which we're gonna publish these content pieces. If you could wave a magic wand, how would your situation with having the major outcome look like? And the format of this engagement content piece is gonna be a two-step quote that we're gonna publish on our Facebook profile or Facebook group or IG, Canva, image, right? Quote design. I'm gonna show you how to do this later on. And also we're gonna post it on our stories as a question, right? Using a question sticker. So let's now see how we're gonna produce this so I can give you an example. First of all, adjust the top topic statement, right? For example, if you could wave a magic wand, how would your situation of being fit, for example, if you just lost weight, look like? How would you feel? That's the question point, right? You're gonna post this on your Facebook profile or Facebook group as kind of a two-step ask post in a rainbow format, which I'm gonna show you right now as well how to do it. You're gonna post it then also on Instagram in feed as a Canva design, or you're gonna take a screenshot of your Facebook profile kind of code that you just published, or a Twitter one, right? Hopefully this is not too advanced for you. I will show you what I mean by all of this, right? So we're gonna go now to Facebook and we're gonna open Canva as well for Instagram quote, right? And I am gonna copy this element here. For example, the question was, if you could wave a magic wand, how would your situation look like if you would have this final outcome? In my case, this outcome would be if someone becomes a full-time online coach. And I'm gonna go to Facebook profile or Facebook group, it's the same thing. I'm gonna paste it in there and I'm gonna create this rainbow effect post. I'm gonna choose certain template here and I'm gonna select something more kind of yellowish, and we're gonna then post just that, and it's gonna appear on Facebook to people just like that, and it's gonna generate comments now. And now then we're gonna go to Canva, and I do have some kind of template already here that I use for my content creation for the designs. I need you to kind of search the templates and find something that would fit you, or you can get across your own templates in some way. So I will remove most of the things here. I'm gonna paste that question in here, right? And then I'm gonna remove that. Actually, let's comment below. And I would post this, download this. I would download this send it to my phone, right? And then I would publish it. I will publish it on Instagram. I'll go to my email really quickly, kind of, right? And I would download this image. And then I will go to Instagram. And I would post it like this to my feed. And I am gonna write a question, statement, let me know in the comments. And then I will post this. And then people gonna come and they're gonna comment down below. Then I will want you to post this content piece also on your stories, but in a little different way. You're gonna take a selfie of yourself, or you're gonna put a solid background there and choose a question sticker and insert your question there, right? If this full question that I gave you as a topic right above is a little too long, you're gonna kind of break it down into 3 kind of text layouts. I'm gonna show you what I mean by that, right? And publish this on stories then, and people are gonna answer with their to your question there, and this is gonna drive DM conversations. In this case, you're gonna message each person back who answered to this question sticker in the DMs, right? And you're gonna continue conversations with them. Here now I'm gonna show you how I do this and also my example. Now for the second content piece, we would post on our story again. I will want to find some kind of background, some kind of clip. Now we'll take a boomerang video just so we can put it in the story as the background, right? So let's go. So how could we'll take this as a boomerang, right? I am gonna want to take out of this clip. Actually, we'll use this. Yeah, we're gonna create a boomerang out of this. Leave this. And also save as copy so we can keep the other video. Now we got this kind of slow-mo. It goes for 6 seconds. And then I can go to Instagram. Now a boomerang. We'll create a boomerang and we'll pick this video. Yeah. And then we're gonna add the sticker. And this is gonna be questions. And we will ask people now a question. How would you feel if you would be... Just do this as for living, right? And we put that. If you would wave. When? So I told you, right, that we'll split it in few. It tells the story, right? Just put it like this. And then put some effect on that at the back. And I'll post this to the stories so people can reply and engage. Hopefully you enjoyed this example of how to produce a value-driven lead generation content piece that I shared with you today. This video excerpt is part of our 7-day content creation challenge that you can attend for free, where I teach you how to follow an ideal weekly content creation lead generation schedule that's gonna attract potential clients out of your audience and generate leads and generate conversations for you as an online coach. If you would like to go through the complete 7-day content creation challenge and receive the daily content piece creation frameworks, make sure to sign up for it at 7daychallenge.primozlazar.com, and you're gonna become part of our Facebook group community as well, where you can post your content pieces and we can provide you with free feedback on your content creation. Do that right now, and I cannot wait to see you becoming productive and consistent with your content creation, and more importantly, getting feedback from your audience and getting that response that you need so these people can book calls with you and enroll with you as your clients. Make sure to sign up for the challenge so you can learn how it all works and you can get started for free right now.